Here we have for sale a 2021 on a 21 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is the 320 model, so this means it's got a 3.2 tonne gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2 litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 170 PS, which is roughly 170 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a 6-speed automatic gearbox in this particular van, and this is a long wheelbase limited factory double cab. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom limited double cab of this age. We'll talk you through all of the modifications on this particular example, a bit about its service history and what we've done to it during our preparation, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the van, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited, you get a number of elements which come colour coded. So that includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirror caps, and also bits of trim like these here down the side of the van, all come colour coded in the body colour, which is in this case frozen white. We can see there's some really nice modifications that have been done to this, some nice body styling. So we can see we've got the rear spoiler which has been added there. There's also a nice set of roof bars, wheels, sidebars. I'll come on to those a little bit later on in the video. Lower down the bottom of the bumper here then, you can see that you've got parking sensors. That comes as standard on the limited model, so rear parking sensor. You also get front parking sensors as well, which comes completely as standard. But this one has actually got a reversing camera, which you can see there as well, which doesn't come as standard. That is an optional extra. A couple of little blemishes to show you here at the very, very back of the van. There's a little tiny little pin dent just there, and then this one just here, little dent just there. Now, I believe what's happened here, little dent which has been removed by a paintless dent removal specialist, so it gives it more of a flush finish, but there is a bit of a blemish there to the paint. I'd rather be totally transparent and show you everything that I can see on the van. If there's anything like that I can see, then I will gladly point it out to you. But the rest of the doors here looking very, very clean and tidy. Opening up the rear doors then, we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. So we've got this little yellow arm. Once you open that and clip that into place there against the rear door, that allows you to open it right out to its full 180-degree position, and you can do exactly the same with the other door as well. Inside the back of the van then, you can see full brand new ply lining in the back of here, and that really does set the van off very, very nicely, and of course adds protection. So if you've got cargo moving around in here in the back, it's not going to cause a nasty outward dent in the side of your nice new Transit Custom double cab. And you can see here as well LED load lights. That's a nice factory optional extra on this particular van. But yeah, you can see the condition here in the back, looking absolutely lovely condition of the threshold, the floor, the exposed painted areas, the bulkhead. It's all looking in fantastic order there in the back. And you've of course got full rear door coverage as well. Plyliner does a brilliant job, as you can see there. Nice infills as well, all silicone sealed around the outside. Does a very, very nice job indeed. Continue then to go around the outside of the van. So looking here then down the passenger side of the vehicle, and this is where I like to look in these reflections here down the side, and you can just see how clean and tidy this is, all looking absolutely spot on. If we open up the side loading door there, you can see that is all looking very good. So, and this is where you can see the factory rear seats, which are in the back of the van. So you've got ISOFIX compatibility on the 2 outer seats. Of course, being a factory double cab, it does come as standard with twin side loading doors, and both of those doors have opening windows as well. But having a look here, the condition of the step, the carpeted floor, the headlining, it's all in absolutely brilliant condition inside here. All under the seats. Having a look in the front here then, again, the step, the floor, the passenger seats here, it's all looking in lovely order. Try and get out of the direct sunlight there, but it's looking in fantastic condition here inside. If we flip these forward, we can show you underneath the seats even. You can see how clean and tidy that is even underneath there. It's all looking absolutely spot on. Now, we do have a fantastic service history with this particular van. So we've got record of, well, 3 services that have now been carried out on this vehicle. So there's services at 11,000 miles in the early part of its life. There was then a service in March of 2025. And we have then, during our preparation, we have carried out a further service on the vehicle. So it's now got 3 services recorded with it, which is absolutely lovely to see, and all right up to date. I can see, just looking at the windscreen, there is a little chip here to the windscreen just there. It is, as you can see, well out of the driver's eye line. We will, if it hasn't already, we will make sure that that is filled, so it's not going to spread any further. Again, if I can see it, I will gladly point it out to you. Having a look at the bonnet then, you will find some stone chips here to the bonnet, which is of course just natural with any van, any used van. You're going to find some stone chips to the bonnet. This one is certainly not excessive, but as I say, of course there will be a few dotted around there which we have just neatly touched in the correct body colour, of course, again just to make sure they're not going to get any worse. Having a look at the headlights then, of course on the Limited you get this lovely LED daytime running light, which is absolutely fantastic. Ford Trail front grille, that's a proper Ford Trail grille on that, which is a genuine Ford product, so fantastic quality on that grille. And then down the bottom then we can see the lovely lower splitter which has been added on this particular van as well. I mentioned a bit earlier on the wheels, so we've got a fantastic set of brand new Caliber T-Sport 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels. These have got brand new tyres, these are fully load rated as well, so they're all absolutely fine even for a 320 van like this one. But yeah, lovely condition on this van, long wheelbase, factory double cab Limited, previous service history, and as I say, we've been right through it in our workshop as well. So we've given it a full multi-point health check, new service, I believe it's had a new MOT as well, so it is all absolutely ready to drive away straight away. Having a look at the condition here again in the back, the step, the floor, the seat. Opening up the driver's door here, you can just see how clean and tidy this is here. Having a look at the driver's door card, you get a lovely spec of course inside here with the Limited being electric windows, electric folding mirrors. It does come with 2 full flip remote keys. Lovely condition on the steering wheel. On the left hand side then you've got your cruise control settings there. On the right hand side your onboard computer controls. Mileage there 31,622 miles. You can see it's all idling correctly there. No warning lights on the dashboard. Auto activated lights, auto activated wipers. You've got height adjustment there of the driver's seat, and this is what's called thigh adjustment, so height adjustment there of just the very front of the seat. If I move this mat out of the way, you can see the condition of the carpet underneath. No issues there whatsoever. A couple of stones where I've been getting in and out, unfortunately, but those, I can assure you, will be hoovered up after the video. Into the centre then, nice Sync 3 screen, which is absolutely fantastic because you've got things like, of course, DAB radio on here. You can connect your phone to this via Bluetooth, but crucially, if you plug your smartphone into either this USB or the one on top of the dashboard here, this gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this screen as well, which is just a total game changer. You can use things like your Google Maps, your Apple Maps, Waze, listen to music on Spotify or Apple Music, all there right through the screen, which is absolutely just a very nice modern touch inside the vehicle. Automatic gearbox, as I mentioned, that is a big selling point for this particular van, being the type of van that it is, 6-seater crew van like this. This is great to be used as a family vehicle. Of course it can be used for work as well, which is what a lot of these happens. It's sort of a very much a dual purpose vehicle, but the automatic is a really nice selling point for that. You've got air conditioning, heated door mirrors, heated windscreen and heated seats, so very nice in the winter as well. Now there is a little bit of wear just here. I don't know whether something's been stuck on this bit of plastic trim, but there is a little bit of sort of lighter wear just there. So I think what's happened there is, as I say, something's been glued on here or something like that, and it's been removed and they've just sort of sanded it a little bit by the looks of it. So it doesn't change anything, but as I say, if I can see it, I will gladly point it out to you. So there we go, 31,000 miles, Ford Transit Custom, long wheelbase, factory double cab. It's a 170 model as well, so it's a 320, little wind deflectors there on the front windows, 320, 170, limited, automatic, factory double cab. Really nice styling kit on this with the little front splitter, the Ford Trail grille. We've got the wheels, sidebars, roof bars, rear spoiler, brand new ply lining in the back, reversing camera, fantastic service history with, as I say, 3 services that have now been carried out on the vehicle. So I believe it's just had a brand new MOT as well. So the vehicle is absolutely ready to drive away from here straight away. Now we can take cars or vans in part exchange. We can arrange finance at very competitive rates, and we can also take cars or vans in part exchange. But yeah, just looking down the side of the van, you can see how clean and tidy that is. Like all of our vans, this has been fully detailed, so this paintwork is absolutely as smooth as silk. It's been fully decontaminated and machine polished. It's absolutely spot on and ready to go straight away. 2 keys. If you have any inquiries, we'll look forward to hearing from you. The van is listed on our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got advertised as well. Thank you very much for watching.